welcome to Maya's Table, where you find God in gourmet. Today I'm making one of my husband's absolutely favorite meal. It's lasagna. So you're going to want to start off by cooking the lasagna. I usually use about 9 noodles. I cook that as directed and drain it. And then I have a pound of hamburger, ground hamburger. This is 80/20. And I like to, when I buy in bulk at Costco, I like to put these in my food saver bag so that I can freeze them nicely. I also have about a pound, it's actually a pound and 4 ounces of Italian sausage. I like the mild sausage, but if you like spicy, you can do that. I do take the casing off so that the hamburger and the sausage mix well together. And I'm going to add half of a very large purple onion that I have diced, and it's about a cup. And I have 5 cloves of garlic. I have 2 teaspoons of my own mixed salt that I do. You can use your favorite seasoned salt like Lowry's. So smells so good. I have fresh oregano from my garden. This is about a tablespoon. If you don't have fresh, then you're gonna just cut the amount in half if you're gonna use dried. So for me, this is a tablespoon. If you only have dried, then you'll use half a tablespoon. Same with the rosemary. I have about a teaspoon here of fresh that I'm going to make sure I have all the woody part taken off. And then I have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce that I'm going to put in my ground meat. I also have 4 cups of loosely packed spinach, 2 cups of a nice Monterey Jack cheese blend, 1 cup of Parmesan grated cheese, and then I have about, I'd say this is a 1/4 of a cup of nice Italian cilantro. I am going to put half of it away and use it to garnish, and then I'll put this other half, I'll chop it up. And then what makes my lasagna, I think why my husband likes it so much, is I use 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm gonna cut this up, you'll see in a minute, when I layer the lasagna together. And this doesn't look like the normal block of cheese. That's because I buy a really big block. It's not sectioned into 8 ounces, but it's way less expensive. So I just buy it and I cut it up into 8-ounce blocks. And same thing, I use the food saver to store it, to keep it in the refrigerator for a long time. So, and then I use our favorite ragu. This was on sale. They're all good, but this is about 48 ounces. I'm going to add this for the sauce of the lasagna. Look at that, you guys. It's a little bit over full. So be careful with that. A little bit of Italian parsley. Of course, I have to let it cool a bit. Okay, it's cooled off a little bit and it's thickened up. Ooh. And I'm gonna serve it up. OMG. Look at that. And my husband is gonna have a nice bite. This is for him, but I'm actually gonna take a bite so you can see what it looks like and see my face when I taste it. Wow, that is so good. Let me know how you guys like this recipe. Till next time, aloha, take care.
This is so good.